Hi, so today we are going to discuss ETAP. In this series of video tutorials, we are going to cover how to work on ETAP from scratch. So I am going to walk you through the different tabs and options available here. Then we will make small circuits and use all the features gradually. That said, let's start. So this is the main screen of ETAP, and I'm going to tell you about the different tabs available here. So first of all, this is the mode tab, the select mode tab. So different modes are available here, like the edit mode, which is shown here in the left corner as a pencil, and the rest are different study modes like load flow, short circuit, hot flash, motor startup, and harmonics. And we will talk about these in more detail in the later videos. The second part is the edit toolbar, which if you see that it consists of AC elements on the left side of the bar. And this has the bus, nodes, cable duct, different types of transformers like a 2-winding, 3-winding transformer, delta, tertiary, and zigzag binding transformers, and other elements. And then on the right side, the top of the bar has the DC instruments, and the bottom bar has the DC elements. So the DC bus, transformer, UPS, battery, and other instruments and elements are present here. So basically, you can see that ETAP is a software which has the capability to perform both AC and DC analysis, and you can see that in the Edit tab. We have the AC load flow, DC load flow, and then we have the AC short circuit and DC short circuit, AC hard flash and the DC hard flash. We have both sorts of studies available here, and we will talk about them in detail in the next few tutorials. The next toolbar is the system toolbar here on the left side of the screen, and you can see that it has different layers of the system. And the first layer basically is the system manager. And if you observe closely, you will see that whatever is available on the AC toolbar is also available on the system manager. So the system manager gives you the overall view of the project. And whatever you draw here, this is the one line diagram area, it will start to reflect on the system manager as well. So you can reach whatever component you want or location you want on the network through the one line diagram and the system manager as well. Then this here is the message log. The error messages are displayed here in the message log, and we haven't drawn any network yet, so it is displaying the initializing messages. For example, here the message log is saying the library has been loaded and the project backup is available. So during any analysis, if any error occurs, it would be displayed here in the message log, and that we would see in some later videos. Then this is the helpline. So right now you can see that this is a static screen, and we haven't drawn any network as I mentioned before, so you won't see anything here yet. But otherwise, whatever data you enter in the network, you will find a brief explanation here in the helpline about that entry, whatever network component you've entered. And then this is the last option that I would mention today. This is the 3D database view. And we will discuss this in more detail later and find out that how can we utilize this in a very effective way. Like you can use the different versions of the software and different sorts of presentations. So you can see that OLV1 is the default, and you can change it to different presentations. And then the third option here is OLV mini screen, and you can select different logs from here. The last option is the normal, which is showing the operational topology. But more on that in the next few tutorials. And this is it. If you found this to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.